Hello, 7th grade. Today we have to continue about future forms. Today we will discuss present continuous as a future form. Okay, this is the form you have taken it before, but today we will re-revise it for you. Look, for the form, we have to start with the subject, then verb 2 is am/are, then verb ing with object and complement. Negative form, subject with verb to be with not, verb ing. Yes, no question, is or are with the subject, verb ing and complement. WH question, you have to start with the WH question, then is, are, verb to be, subjects and verb ing, object, complement with a sentence with question mark. Okay, for example, we are having a big exam tomorrow. Look, here is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the keyword. This keyword means that we have to use the present continuous or going to. We choose present continuous here. I will tell you why. I am not going to the beach this week. So this week is a future keyword. So we have to use present continuous. Are you visiting a theme park next month? This is a keyword. What are you doing for the year end of your end of year trip? Here there is we, I, you, and you. If the subject is a plural, we have to do are with verb ing. If I took am with not, if it's negative not with the verb ing. The question are within the subject and verb ing. And the WH question, here are subject, verb ing. Okay, we know the form, we know everything, we know we may use it in the future form, but when I have to use this, it is for talk about definite plans and arrangement for the near future. You have to put a near future, you plan or arrange something for this. So you in this case you can use the present continuous. This is the example. They are sending me to a brat camp this summer. This summer is very near, and what we have to do, this is we use present continuous. The different use is when the verb, usually, not always, not all the time. Here when the verb is come or go, we have to use the present continuous, not going to. But here, look, here I use going to. I am not going to. No, not that. Okay, I will show you when the example is shown. Here, if the verb is come or go, we have to use present continuous, not going to go, not all the time, usually. Okay, my grandparents are coming from Sydney. So my grandparents not aren't going to come. When we see come, we put are coming. She is going to the theater this spring. So she is singular, is going, go is the verb, so present continuous for this. Continuing with workbook, we will back to going to and present continuous exercises. Now exercise number 1, complete the sentences with the affirmative form of going to of the verb in the box. We have behave, buy, catch, destroy, give, have, and study. This summer, I am going to study English at a school in Canada. My mom and dad are going to buy a new car next week. John, you are going to behave at school next year. We are going to catch a train to Berlin tomorrow. The hurricane is going to destroy the houses on the beach. My sister is going to have a party to celebrate her birthday. Our history teacher is going to give us a test tomorrow. Concentrate with me here, please. Exercise 2, you have 2, 4, 6 as a homework. Okay, your homework is 2, 4, 6. I answered 1, 3, 5. Write sentences in negative form of going to I haven't got any money, so I am not going to watch Spider-Man 3 at the cinema. He's got a secret. Tell me his secret. He isn't going to tell me his secret. 5. They forgot their cameras. They aren't going to take photos. You have to remember 1. 2, 4, 6 is a homework. Write negative and affirmative sentences with going to. You will have 1, 3, and 5 as a homework. I answered 2 and 4. My aunt isn't going to buy me a mobile phone. This is a negative sentence. We have to put affirmative sentence with between brackets. She is going to buy me a DVD. I am not going to record songs from the internet. I am going to record songs from the radio. Exercise 4. So 1, 3, 5 is a homework. Write questions using the going to form of the verb in the box. I answered 1 and 3. Where are we going to stay in? Where are we in Rome? 2 is a homework. 3. Who are you going to play tennis with? And 4 is for a homework. Exercise 5 is different. Replace the dates and times with the time expression in the box. I do it for you. Just I want to capture it. Okay. Future form present continuous. This is a timetable for Frank, Pauline, and Susie. Sing, cook, cycle, fly. The activity when we go tick, when we do cross, it's negative form. So next month, Frank and Pauline are singing in a musical. Susie isn't singing in a musical. Frank and Susie are cooking lunch for friends. Pauline isn't cooking lunch for friends. Frank, Pauline, and Susie are cycling in the mountain. Susie is flying to Paris. Frank and Pauline aren't flying to Paris. Last exercise. Consolidation. This is the exercise. It is a consolidation, so I will let you see. You have to pause and copy the answers like this. Yeah. Thank you very much for today. See you next time.